Hello there, my name's Councillor Billy Mullin. I'm the Cabinet Member for Corporate Management and Assets. I'd like to introduce you to our new Flintshire customer account, which allows you to log on to our website using your email address, customer's reference number and a chosen password. You will then be able to conduct all your council business in one place at a time that is convenient for you. Don't worry if you haven't got a reference number, one will be assigned to you during the sign-up process. Your customer account will be your own personal area of our website, and you can track the progress of any of your requests made online. You will be able to access council services 24 hours a day in the comfort of your own home or on the move using your mobile device. By creating an online account, the information you provide will feed into a centralised system, allowing us to process your request much quicker. This lets you see how we're dealing with your request. Currently, you can view waste and recycling collections, planning applications and local councillors' information. More services will be added to the account as we develop our digital service. We will keep you informed about what is planned, and we'd welcome your ideas on what else we can do to improve the access to our service. The customer's account is an exciting new development in our journey to improve digital access to council services. An email address, customer's reference number and a password is all you need to register. It's easy to use. You can get help to set up a customer's account online, or if you need a bit more help, visit one of our Connect centres where we can help you set it up. Watch this following video. Thanks for your time, and please let us know how you're getting on with the new Flintshire customer account. Thank you.